need more strength? Well, then you should try this. The most flavorful beef steak dish, Bistek Silog. First off, we're going to shred this beef into nice, small, thin cuts. You can use sirloin tip steak or any type of steak that you happen to have on hand, as long as it's cut into small strips. We'll marinate it in a full lemon juice, or you can use calamansi, along with dark and light soy sauce. We normally use some Filipino soy sauce, but I don't really have that here, so we'll use what we can get. Add in your black pepper, and once that's done, we'll let it sit in the marinade for 1 hour. We're gonna fry this garlic in some rolling hot oil until somewhat brown and crispy, and add in your rice with some salt. This is the perfect complement for your beef steak. Into a separate pan, sear those onions until brown on one or both sides. Fry that beef steak in batches to remove one medium rare. Fry the other half of the garlic before adding in the leftover marinade. This is the point where you should add in your medium rare beef steak and cook until tender. Usually when this dish is prepared, it usually fuses the flavors of tangy, salty, as well as savory. To fry up those 2 eggs, and voila! Delicious beef steak. And remember,
it's my favorite form of chow, chow, chow.